Unica anterior. Simplify your anterior restorations with Unica anterior matrix system by Polydentia. Featuring two anatomically contoured ultra-thin matrices, the system allows you to perform direct composite restorations of maxillary and mandibular anterior teeth and achieve anatomical results with tight contact surfaces. Employ Unica anterior for restorations of maxillary central incisors. For all other and smaller anterior teeth, such as mandibular incisors, peg laterals, and conoid teeth, use the new minideep version. Use Unica anterior matrices for your daily anterior restorations. The matrices are ideal for third, fourth, and fifth class cavity restorations and particularly indicated for functional and aesthetic restorations, such as direct composite veneers and shape modifications. Save time and achieve predictable restorations. Just slide the matrix through the interproximal spaces and guide it towards the cervical margin. Thanks to the innovative design, Unica anterior provides high predictability of results and allows easy management of the proximal and cervical margins. The system features MyWedge, the hollow V-shaped interdental wedges that, when inserted, adapt to the interproximal spaces without damaging the papilla. So secure the matrices in place with MyWedge, or in case of a wide third class or distant proximals, you can adapt the matrix contour and custom fix it with the help of a light, curing, flowable composite material. With the matrix secured in place, you can now proceed with the adhesive procedure. Once finished, go ahead and remove the matrix with a powerful forceps included in the system, My Quick Matrix Forceps. Thanks to their ultra-thin thickness, multiple matrices can be placed on the same arch, so you can save chair time, increase efficiency, and pre-visualize the smile you're about to create. Let's now look at an example of aesthetic and functional shape modification of a peg lateral incisor. For this case, we use Unica minideep anterior, specially developed to adapt to small anterior teeth. We insert the matrix comfortably through its positioning wings. Then, with gentle pressures on the cervical, distal, and mesial sections, we adjust the matrix and slide it into the sulcus. Unica minideep anterior allows great contour customization, enabling us to achieve predictable results and manage proximal and cervical margins easily with just one matrix. With the help of Unica minideep anterior, we achieved a functional, anatomical, and aesthetic restoration in just one session. A truly time and cost-effective solution. Unica anterior, the anterior matrix system that features two anatomically contoured ultra-thin matrices that allow you to easily manage the margins and achieve correct, functional, and aesthetic restorations in the anterior region. Unica anterior, the one solution for anterior restorations.